BricsCAD BIM has native point cloud functionality that lets you go from scan to plan in no time using intelligent automated tools. You can use the section tool to create a section plane along the area of the point cloud you're interested in. Just drag it up and down to get the best fit. Turn this into a volume section and use it as the selection item for the point cloud project section command. The project section command allows you to create 2D projections of a point cloud using section volumes. You can set tolerances for resolution and pixel size, and wall detection settings such as gap tolerances or minimum length and alignment angle. Then BricsCAD BIM creates a projection with polylines that have been detected. Once the projection has been created, you can use BricsCAD's intelligent AI-driven tools to further refine your plan. The Optimize command lets you rectify the wall lines by setting tolerances for angles, gap distances, and whether or not to close those gaps, amongst other options. These tolerances can be changed in the panel, and a preview is given before you commit, so you don't have to go back and rerun the command or undo something that isn't correct. As an aside, the Optimize command works on 2D entities and 3D entities, so you could use this when creating room solids as well. From this point, you can use regular drafting tools to complete the final mile. Join, offset, stretch, trim, or delete. This will give you your plan with polylines representing the walls within your building. From there, add wall and room dimensions and use AI-driven tools such as Copy Guided to quickly and easily add elements such as windows to the floor plan. Then create a deliverable, either a printed document or PDF. With BricsCAD BIM, you can work with point clouds in multiple formats and have the tools to create accurate 2D plans quickly and easily.